In this video, I will show you step by step on how to download and install Audacity on Windows PC. A very easy and efficient. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to download and install Audacity on Windows laptop. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to your address bar, having opened up your browser, then come to your address bar and type in Audacity. Then you press enter key on your keyboard. Alright, so from the search result right here, the next thing you want to do is to click on the first result right here. So it takes you to the official page of the Audacity website. Next thing you want to do is to click on download Audacity 3.4.2 with no extra cost. Just click on that. So in a few minutes your download file is going to be prepared. So let's check it out. Just like from the top right here. So what you need to do is to exercise a little bit patient and let the file download finished before you run the setup. Okay. So after a successful download the software, so we can simply access from the web browser. Then I'm going to minimize my web browser. Then we have to head over to our download file folder. Okay, so I'm going to click one of my folder right here. Then I will navigate to downloads. So we have the Audacity Setup right here. Okay, what I need to do is to just simply click on the Audacity logo icon, then press enter key on my keyboard to run the setup. Then right here, make sure you click on yes. Then right here you have to change to whatever English you understand, but as for me I'm going to put it in English language. Then I'll make sure I click on OK, then click on next. Then you can simply scroll down and read the terms of service, then click on next, then click on next, and make sure create desktop shortcut key is checked. Then click on next, then click on install. Then make sure you uncheck this, then click on finished. So we can simply minimize this folder, and then from our desktop screen we should be able to see Audacity icon. So check it out from the top right here. So what I need to do is to click on the icon, then press enter key on my keyboard just to launch the app. Then we can simply click on don't show this again right here, and we'll click on OK. Then we can simply maximize. So we have Audacity successful install and set up in our PC. Then we can use the file tabs from the top right here to import our file. You can import audio file, you can import MDI and labels and raw data. We can use the edit tab right here to do different stuff. So in my future tutorial, I'm going to make a lot of tutorial on how you can actually explore and how you can use Audacity for your audio editing and audio recording. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.